Good morning, this is Bob Wilson. I've enjoyed the wonderful opportunity of starting a new business in 1957, and we've had a wonderful ride here in Seattle. Business is good. It's never been better. When I started this business, I never envisioned that it would become as large as it is today. In 1957, I had 75 competitors across the United States. We now have about 4. Behind me, you're seeing the arrival of another new machinery. The technology in our manufacturing has revised greatly over the past 60-some years. We're a U.S. manufacturer, and we want to increase business and the United States' presence in the world. And I'm still enjoying the industry and working with my family and all the wonderful people that work at King Electric.